Let's have a look at the Aventador forged carbon fiber interior parts. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Really glad that you tuned in again, and today we're going to show you a little but really filigrant part that we made for the Lamborghini Aventador. We're going to show you a little preview right here, but before we go into further detail, let's blend it out again and tell you a little bit of the history. You know, DMC, we have been working a lot on all kind of Lamborghini projects, especially the Aventador. I'm proud to say was the package that put us onto the list of international renowned tuners. When we came out in 2012 with the DMC Aventador package, very soon we also came out with an interior package. Contact us for more details. Now let's come back to the DMC forged carbon fiber part. Now, this is not a new product. I just mentioned there is a package of about, I would say, 12 to 15 parts. We don't even count the rear seat covers. Really beautiful package included. Today I just want to show you something that we did new. We're now doing a lot of forged carbon fiber. I would say about 50% of our factory production has now been cranked up to do only forged carbon fiber. I have to be honest as well, I was not a fan of forged carbon fiber when Lamborghini Original came out with it, but now I really love it. So now here's the part. This is actually one of the parts. This is not the complete interior package that we're going to show you today, but really this is one of the most difficult parts to manufacture. This is the center console cover, and you look at these fine lines. It's really amazing. You see, this kind of quality you can only make if you have a mold made in Germany. This has been manufactured in an autoclave oven. I know there's probably some items out there they do it in a wet lay over / visible carbon kind of production method, but for these small parts, don't do it. You're going to regret it later on. You have to do pre-packed carbon. You have to do it in an autoclave. Only then you get this kind of quality. Originally I had some doubts whether such a small filigrant part might look good with the forged carbon fiber, because you know this marble pattern is not as easy recognizable as the traditional carbon lines that we are used from the past. But I think the part came out really beautiful. And again, look at it. It's such a small filigrant part. Of course, it's a very important part. It's in the middle of the car, so everybody can see it. But I'm pretty sure when the owner who ordered this part sees it, he's going to change the whole remaining parts of the interior to DMC forged carbon fiber parts as well. Let me know in the comments how you like this part, and also let me know how you like this video. If there's anything else you'd like to see, you can always write down something in the comments. And yeah, please leave us a like or a thumbs up depending on the platform where you're watching this. Let me say thank you one more time for watching, and I'll see you next time with more content. Until then, DMC Life.